The diameter of the wheel of a car is 56 centimeters. Calculate the number of times the wheel will rotate in traveling through a distance of 1.056 km. The speed of the car in km per hour if its wheel makes 750 revolutions per minute. Draw a circle to understand the meaning of question. Here I will tell you one thing. Unless you are not understanding the question properly, you have to keep on reading the question again and again. This will help you to understand the meaning of the sum. So, already we did a circle that is with diameter AB, where AB is 56 centimeter. It is given in the question. We will make the center O, so we will get radius of the center which is equal to 28 centimeter. Now look at down. There is a red color circle. We will consider that is the wheel of the car. The wheel has to travel or it has to run on the road. So right now the wheel is ready to run on the road. When the wheel will when the wheel will run on the road, it has to make more number of revolution as per required distance. Why I am saying all those things here? Look at the question number 1. The number of times the wheel will rotate. First of all, we need to find out when the wheel will rotate one time. It will cover how much distance. Look at the figure to understand the concept of rotation. Now the wheel is rotating, that means it is rolling on the road. Now the wheel made one revolution. When the wheel made one revolution, it is able to complete only little distance that is shown in the figure. So the wheel can complete that much distance in one revolution. So the distance covered by the wheel in one revolution is nothing but the circumference of the circle. That means the perimeter of the circle. Now we will find out the perimeter of the circle. When wheel will rotate one time, that is perimeter of the circle. We know how to find out the perimeter of the circle. That is 2 into pi into r. 2 pi equal to 22 by 7 and r is given 28 centimeter. Now look at the video to find out the calculation. 2 pi r 2 into 22 by 7 and R is 28 centimeter. 7 ones are 7 fours are 2 into 22 into 4 centimeter. 2 into 22 is equal to 44. 44 into 4 centimeter, which is equal to 4 by 16. 4 16 plus 1 7, 176 centimeter. So the car can cover 176 centimeter distance in one revolution. The distance covered by the wheel in one rotation is equal to 176 centimeter. Look at the figure. So the wheel has made 176 centimeter in one revolution. Now the road is keep on going, but the wheel has to cover 1.056 kilometer. So obviously it will take more number of revolution. Now to find out the number of revolution, we have to do. Therefore, the number of revolutions to complete the distance of 1.056 kilometer is equal to the whole distance divided by the single distance. The single distance what? The distance covered by the wheel in one revolution, that is 1.056 kilometer divided by 176 centimeter. Look at the video to understand the calculation. 1.056 kilometer divided by 176 centimeter. Now convert kilometer to meter, that is 1.056 into 1000 meter, because we know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, whole divided by 176 centimeter. It is better to convert always kilometer to into meter. Even we know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So in place of meter, I'll put it 100 centimeter. So 1.056 multiply 1000 into 100 cm divided by 176 centimeter. Now after calculation I will get 1056 centimeter, whole divided by 176 centimeter. Centimeter get cancelled. After calculation I am going to get it 600 revolution. 600 revolution. Always will keep it in mind, the number of revolution will come in whole number. It will never come in decimal, because it has to complete the proper revolution. Let's go. It is more simplification given. You can understand properly. Convert into centimeter. Centimeter got cancelled. You got 600. So car has to make 600 revolution to cover the distance of 1.056 kilometer. Now we'll discuss the second part of the. Already we know the distance covered by the car wheel in one revolution is equal to 176 centimeter. Look at the question number 2. The car wheel has to make 750 revolutions. So when it will make more number of revolution, it will cover definitely more distance. Therefore, the distance covered in 750 revolution is equal to 176. That is distance covered in one revolution. Multiply by how many revolution? 750 revolution. That gives to you 132,000 centimeter. Next. So 132,000 centimeter covered by the wheel in 1 minute. Because it is given in the question. The car wheel has to make 750 revolutions per minute. So we can write in mathematical way. This can be written in mathematically way, that is 132,000 centimeter covered by 1 minute. Look at the question is asking to us find the speed of the car. Generally we know speed equal to distance upon time. So what are we getting? Distance how much? 132,000 centimeter upon time. How much time? 1 minute. Even it is more interesting, the question is asking us to find out the speed of the car in kilometer per hour, but we have the got speed what? In centimeter per minute. Now look at the video to understand the calculation. 132,000 centimeter divided by 1 minute. We will convert centimeter to kilometer. So small to big always divide. So we know 1 kilometer equal to 1 lakh centimeter. So 132,000 divided by 1 lakh kilometer. Because we are going to convert centimeter to kilometer. And we know 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So small to big divide. So 1 by 60 hour. Now we can make reciprocal 132,000 divided by 1 lakh. When reciprocal will come into 60 by 1 kilometer per hour. 60 by 1 kilometer per hour. Now after 0 cancel, 30 cancel, you will get 132 into 6 divided by 10 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. So after multiplication, we are going to get it to 792 divided by 10 kilometer per hour. That will give you 79.2 kilometer per hour. Therefore, we got the speed of the car in kilometer per hour is equal to 79.2 kilometer per hour. This is the more simplification given. We convert into first kilometer. So I already told you small to big always divide. So it is more reciprocal. Kilometer per hour. After calculation, we will get it 79.2 kilometer per hour. So the speed of the car is equal to 79.2 kilometer per hour.